Got the Amazon Sellers app. I got all these DVDs brand new. I got them at an estate sale and some yard sales. Just wanted to show you what they're going for on Amazon. I paid $1 for every one of these. They're all brand new. This one right here, brand new. It's going for $37.98. We're gonna net $27. Hit that subscribe button off Amazon. It's brand new, easy money. Let's go. I got this one for $1. Every one of these DVDs were $1, and they're all sealed brand new. Let's see what they're going for on Amazon FBA. Hit that subscribe button. This one we paid $1 for. That was $1. Same DVD. Used, it's selling for $24. We're gonna net 15 bucks off that. Easy money. Let's check out Bambi. Hit that subscribe button. This one on the Amazon FBA. We scanned it with Amazon. For new, it's going for 20 bucks. We're gonna net $12. I paid $1. Hit that subscribe button. Same DVD. Let's go. Oh wait, we got Lord of the Rings, the Blu-ray. I only paid $1 for this. Let's scan it and see what it's selling for on Amazon FBA. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Right there, $17.99. We're gonna net 10 bucks off this bad boy. We paid $1. Let's go. Okay, let's scan the front of this one. We got a bunch of winners here. The music DVD. I think this is it right here. Yes, it is. It's going for 30 bucks. Let's go back, click it again, and it will show the number right here. The magic number is, we are netting $20 off that one DVD. Let's go. Hit that subscribe button. This is selling for $29. No one's FBA, but I will be, because this is ranked a bit high, but we're going to get money. Hit that subscribe button. Let's scan this bad boy and see how much this is going for on Amazon. Probably not cheap. The Blu-ray. There we go. $24. We're going to net $13 off this one. Easy money. Hit that subscribe. Oh, we got this brand new sealed Xbox 360 game. It's brand new. Let's scan this on Amazon. I paid $1 for this one too. It was in the bundle. Let's see how much this is selling for on Amazon FBA. Oh, new, it's going for $47. We're going to net $35 off this one that we paid $1. Hit that subscribe button. Easy money. And then we got this toy right here. I paid $5 for this toy. Let's scan that and see what that's going for. We got this toy right here. And that didn't pop up right. Let's scan it again. Sometimes you got to scan it twice. First one, there we go. Hit that subscribe button. Selling for 29 bucks new. I only paid 5 bucks. Easy money. Let's go. We got a couple more DVDs. Let's see this one right here. Let's see what this is selling for on Amazon FBA. I paid $1 for it. We're gonna net 4 bucks off that bad boy. Let's go. Hit that subscribe button.